Hello and welcome. My name is Brad and I'm going to walk you through the setup process for the new Wagyu Soul Bundle Launcher. Let's begin. Let's start the bot by typing /start. Now let's click Launches, click Create Launch. Now we can begin setting up our token via the main menu. First, let's start with tokenomics. We can begin setting up our name, our symbol. We can upload our picture here, and we can even add a description. Let's go ahead and click Next. In the next screen, we can go ahead and set our website, our Twitter, and our Telegram link. These will appear on our Pumpfun page. Click Next. Now on the deployer page, we can click Create Deployer, or we can link an existing one. So we'll go ahead and click Create Deployer. The bot will provide us with our address and our private key. Once we have our private key confirmed and saved, let's click Confirm. You can see that it's loaded in our deployer wallet. We can go ahead and click Next. On this screen, we can go ahead and start setting up our bundle wallets. We will go ahead and tell the bot that we want to bundle 5% of our token, and it will tell us that we're going to need 1.4663 SOL. On the contrary, we can type in how much SOL we want to bundle with, and it will convert that to what percentage. Let's go ahead and click Create Wallets. We will click how many we want to create. Let's do an even 5. Click Generate, and the bot will send us a text file with the wallets in it. Click Save. Now on this page, we can see all of our wallets that we'll be bundle buying. We will also see how much SOL is in each wallet. Currently, we haven't funded them, so they are at 0. Let's go ahead and click Next. On this screen, we can create manual wallets or import them. These wallets will be used to manually buy after launch. On this screen, we can create CTO wallets. I won't go into depth on this feature today, but it is very useful. This is a post-launch feature that Wagyu has developed. You can actually click the CTO button in the post-launch screen. The bot will dump the supply held by the bundled wallets and immediately buy on the CTO wallets. This will help the development teams retain supply a little bit more privately, but again, I'm going to skip this portion today, but there is more information provided on the Git books if you'd like to set those up. We can go ahead and click Main Menu and click Create. Once we click Save, our launch will be saved and we will see it in your Launches menu. Let's go ahead and click our launch. Now that we're in our pre-launch management menu, we could go ahead and start funding our wallets. Let's go ahead and fund our deployer by clicking Manage Deployer. Let's go ahead, copy the deployer wallet and fund it. You'll see that we need a required balance of at least 0.1 SOL. Once we have set the funds, let's click back and go back into Manage Deployer. It now reloads the balance and we can see that it has been funded. Let's click back and let's go to Bundled Wallets. Now we can see a list here of every one of our bundled wallets with the value that they have in their wallets and the required balance. Right now everything is red, so we're going to go ahead and need to fund those. Let's click Disperse to Wallets. Let's click Direct Disperse. And we can send one transaction to the receiver address provided in the amount of 1.731 SOL. This will automatically disperse to all of our bundled wallets so that we can only have to do it in one transaction. All right, I am now sending the SOL to the address provided, and in just a second we will see that the bot picks it up and will complete the disperse. Here we go. Takes just a second. All right, now it says completed, so all of our wallets have been funded. Let's click the back button. Now we can see that all of our wallets have been funded with the correct amounts. Everything is green, so we can click back. Now that we have our deployer and our bundle wallets funded, we need to pay the fee to use Wagyu. Click Pay Fee. Here, if we have enough in our deployer, we can click Pay from Deployer and it will auto send the required amount, or we could click Generate Payment. I'm going to click Generate Payment, copy the receiver address, and I'm going to send 0.75 SOL. Now that I've sent my SOL, take just a moment here to register and the bot will mark it as completed. Click back and we are ready to launch. To launch our token, we will click Launch Token, verify that all of our name, symbol, description, and our social details are correct. Once we're ready, let's click Confirm. Now that we've clicked Confirm, the bot will just update us with the transaction as it launches. And perfectly executed. The bot tells us that the bundle has been successfully submitted and provides us with the contract in our Pumpfun link, which looking here, we can see has been launched with all the information provided, such as our name, our symbol, the description, and the token picture. More importantly, if we look over to the right-hand side of the screen, we can see that our wallets have purchased the amount that we requested to. Now, if we look back at the Wagyu bot, we can see that the menu has changed to the post-launch management screen. In this, we can manage our deployer and manage all of our wallets. If we click Bundled Wallets, we can see the amount of SOL that each wallet contains, as well as the amount of tokens and their values. If we want to sell some of the token, we can simply select which wallets, confirm the selection, select how much we want to sell, and click Sell. It's as easy as that. The bot handles everything seamlessly. If you want to send SOL or send some of the tokens, you can do that the same way directly within the bot. And that's it. In a matter of minutes, we were able to set up and launch the token and secure as much supply as we wanted. Wagyu does have some additional features such as CTO mode, which really elevates this bundling bot. CTO function allows the developer to sell off the entire bundled supply and then repurchase that supply from a whole new allotment of wallets. And if you've enjoyed this video or found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out our other video guides. Wagyu now offers bundling services for not just Solana, but also for ETH, Base, BNB, and even Unichain. If you do need any additional support, we have a full GitHub guide that has a more in-depth description of each of these steps. You can also reach out to myself or Dante via Telegram. We offer one-on-one completely private help to any development teams. And once again, my name's Brad. Thank you guys for tuning in.